In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a draft watermark to your PowerPoint slides. Whether you're working on a presentation that's still in progress and you want to make it clear to your audience that it's a draft, adding a watermark is a simple and neat solution. So let's dive in and start with the basics. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation you want to work on ready. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your desired PowerPoint presentation. This is important to ensure that the watermark is added to the correct slides. Once you have your presentation open, you'll want to move to the Insert tab, which is located along the top of your screen in the ribbon menu. This menu is where most of your creative options lie, so it's an essential step. After you've accessed the Insert tab, look for the option to insert a text box. A text box is where you will type the word draft. Click on it and then draw a text box on your slide where you envision placing the watermark. Now type the word draft into the text box. The text might appear small initially, but don't worry, in the next step we're going to change the font size. Choosing a bold font and a larger size will make sure that your watermark is visible enough without overwhelming your slide content. Once your text is in place and sized just right, you can rotate it. To do this, look for the rotation handle at the top of the text box. Click and drag it to your preferred angle. A diagonal rotation often works well for watermarks, adding a professional yet unobtrusive flair to your slides. Next, head over to the Shape Format tab. You'll find this option pops up when your text box is selected. You're now going to change the color of your text. Select Text Fill and then pick a color that stands out, such as red. This step is essential in making sure your watermark draws attention, indicating clearly that the slides are still drafts. With your text box still selected, locate the option to Send Backward. This step ensures that your watermark doesn't cover any critical part of your slide content, as it will be placed behind all other elements. Next, right-click on your text box. You should see an option to choose Format Shape. Go ahead and select that. This brings up another panel on the side of your screen, where you'll find the Text Options tab. Finally, here is where you adjust the transparency to your liking. By doing this, you make sure the watermark remains visible without overpowering the slide content. A good balance is crucial, so take a moment to find the right transparency level that suits your needs. And there you have it, you've successfully added a draft watermark to your PowerPoint slides. This little touch is not only a great way to communicate that the presentation is in the works, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your drafts. Happy presenting!